ASQ, CMQ, oblique OE, certification renewal and professional development. How to maintain your ASQ certified manager of quality oblique organizational excellence, CMQ oblique OE certification by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to another informative session from URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. If you are an ASQ certified manager of quality oblique organizational excellence, commonly known as CMQ oblique OE, or you are planning to obtain this prestigious international certification, then today's video is especially for you. In this session, we are going to discuss one of the most important topics for quality professionals: how to successfully renew your ASQ CMQ oblique OE certification. Many professionals earn the CMQ oblique OE certification but are unsure about the recertification process. Questions such as how do I renew my certification, what are recertification units, RUs, how many RUs are required, which training programs qualify, how can I earn the required RUs, how can URGS support my recertification journey. If these questions sound familiar, stay with us until the end of this video. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of the recertification requirements and how continuous professional development can help maintain your internationally recognized credentials. What is ASQ? ASQ stands for the American Society for Quality. It is one of the world's leading organizations dedicated to promoting quality excellence across industries. For decades, ASQ has been recognized globally for quality management, operational excellence, continuous improvement, Lean Six Sigma, quality engineering, auditing, reliability, supplier quality, organizational excellence. Thousands of professionals across manufacturing, healthcare, aerospace, automotive, pharmaceuticals, IT, logistics, energy, education, and government hold ASQ certifications. These certifications demonstrate competence, leadership, and commitment to quality. What is the ASQ CMQ oblique OE certification? Let us see this. The Certified Manager of Quality oblique Organizational Excellence is one of ASQ's flagship certifications. It is intended for professionals who lead organizations, departments, quality systems, and improvement initiatives. Unlike technical certifications that focus on inspection or testing, the CMQ oblique OE emphasizes strategic leadership, business excellence, organizational performance, customer satisfaction, process improvement, quality culture, risk management, supplier management, team leadership. The certification is highly valued by multinational corporations and organizations implementing world-class quality systems. Why is CMQ oblique OE important? Organizations today expect quality leaders to contribute beyond compliance. A modern quality manager is expected to develop quality strategies, improve customer satisfaction, reduce business risks, lead cross-functional teams, drive continuous improvement, improve operational efficiency, support digital transformation, build a culture of excellence. The CMQ oblique OE certification validates these competencies and demonstrates commitment to professional growth. Why is recertification important? Professional knowledge evolves continuously. New ISO standards are published, customer expectations change, digital technologies transform business operations, risk management practices improve, artificial intelligence is influencing quality systems, sustainability and ESG requirements are becoming increasingly important. For these reasons, ASQ requires certified professionals to periodically renew their certifications through a recertification process. Recertification demonstrates that you remain active in the profession and continue to develop your knowledge and skills. Understanding recertification units, RUs. One of the most common questions is what are recertification units? Recertification units or RUs are credits awarded by ASQ for eligible professional activities completed during the certification cycle. Examples include full-time employment, professional training, workshops, conferences, seminars, educational programs, teaching, presentations, publishing technical articles, professional volunteer activities. A combination of these activities help professionals meet the recertification requirements. Example, suppose a quality manager has worked full time for 3 years. ESQ may allow the individual to claim RUs based on employment. However, employment alone may not be sufficient. The professional may still need additional RUs through continuing education and professional development. This is where structured training programs become valuable. Why continuous learning matters? A quality profession never stands still. Every year we see updates in ISO standards, lean methodologies, risk management, digital manufacturing, AI applications, Industry 4.0, data analytics, supply chain management. A successful quality leader invests continuously in learning. Continuous learning enhances leadership capability, decision making, technical competence, organizational performance, career opportunities, global employability. Now, how URGS supports ASQ, CMQ, OE professionals. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we believe certification is not the end of learning. It is the beginning of continuous professional development. We provide instructor-led training programs designed to enhance competencies in quality management, leadership, auditing, operational excellence, and business improvement. Our programs are delivered by experienced industry professionals and include structured course materials, attendance records, and training certificates that support professional development documentation. Training topics offered by URGS. Our portfolio includes ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management Systems, ISO 9001 Lead Auditor, ISO 9001 Internal Auditor, Integrated Management Systems, Lean Six Sigma Green Belt, Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, Strategic Quality Management, Organizational Excellence, Leadership Development, Risk Management, Project Management, Process Improvement, Lean Manufacturing, Kaizen, 5S Workplace Organization, Statistical Process Control (SPC), Measurement System Analysis (MSA), Failure Mode and Effective Analysis (FMEA), APQP, PPAP, Root Cause Analysis, 8D Problem Solving, Supplier Quality Management, Internal Auditing, KPI Development, Business Continuity Management, Environmental Management, Occupational Health and Safety, Information Security Management. These programs are designed to help professionals stay current with industry best practices and strengthen their quality leadership capabilities. End of part 1. So with this, part 1 is ended. Now we see part 2. Next episode, part 2. So here what we will cover: complete ASQ, CMQ /OE body of knowledge, leadership and strategic planning, customer focus, process management, risk-based thinking, continuous improvement, Lean Six Sigma, organizational excellence, how URGS training supports professional development. And part 3 we will cover recertification documentation, training hour planning, professional development roadmap, corporate training solutions, why choose URGS International, and last call to action. Now let us see part 2. Complete ASQ, CMQ /OE body of knowledge, leadership, strategic planning and continuous improvement by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Welcome back to part 2 of our series on ASQ Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence, CMQ /OE certification renewal. In part 1 we discussed what is ASQ, what is CMQ /OE certification, why recertification is important, understanding recertification units, how URGS supports quality professionals through professional development programs. In today's session, we will explore the ASQ, CMQ /OE body of knowledge (BOK) and discuss how continuous learning in these areas help quality professionals enhance leadership capabilities, improve organizational performance, and support professional development. Let us begin. Section 1: Understanding the CMQ /OE body of knowledge. The Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence is much more than a quality management certification. It is a leadership certification designed for professionals responsible for developing, implementing, improving, and sustaining quality systems throughout an organization. The CMQ/OE body of knowledge covers several major domains including leadership, strategic planning, customer focus, process management, quality management systems, human resource management, supplier management, risk management, performance measurement, continuous improvement, Lean Six Sigma, data analysis, organizational excellence. Each domain contributes to building an effective quality culture that supports business growth and customer satisfaction. Section 2, Leadership and Strategic Planning. One of the most important competencies for quality manager is leadership. Quality leaders are expected to establish organizational vision, communicate quality objectives, inspire employees, develop quality culture, promote ethical behavior, encourage innovation, lead change management initiatives. Leadership is no longer limited to ensuring compliance with standards. Today's leaders must align quality objectives with business strategy. Strategic planning involves understanding organizational context, identifying business risks, setting measurable objectives, allocating resources, monitoring organizational performance, reviewing strategic outcomes. Quality professionals often participate in annual business planning, management review meetings, risk assessment workshops, strategic improvement projects, KPI reviews. URGS leadership training programs. URGS offers training on leadership development, strategic planning, business excellence, change management, team building, effective communication, management review, quality leadership. These programs help professionals strengthen managerial and leadership competencies. Section 3, Customer Focus. Every successful organization is driven by customer satisfaction. One of the key principles of quality management is customer focus. Organizations must understand customer requirements, market expectations, regulatory requirements, customer complaints, future customer needs. Quality managers develop systems to monitor customer satisfaction surveys, complaint analysis, warranty claims, corrective actions, customer audits, voice of customers (VOC), customer retention. Continuous improvement begins with understanding customer expectations. Quality professionals should transform customer feedback into business improvements. URGS customer focus programs. Our training includes customer satisfaction management, complaint handling, corrective and preventive action (CAPA), customer specific requirements, service quality management, supplier customer relationship management. Section 4, Process management. Organizations achieve consistent results through well-controlled processes. Process management involves identifying processes, defining process owners, measuring process performance, managing process risks, monitoring KPIs, improving efficiency, reducing waste, enhancing productivity. Every process has inputs, resources, activities, outputs, performance indicators, improvement opportunities. Modern organizations use process mapping, flow charts, SIPOC, turtle diagrams, control plans, process audits, risk assessment, performance dashboards. The objective is to achieve predictable and repeatable performance. Clear? Now, URGS training programs. We provide trainings on process mapping, business process management, internal auditing, KPI development, quality management systems, integrated management systems, operational excellence. Then next is section 5, risk-based thinking. Risk-based thinking has become a fundamental requirement in modern management systems. Organizations must proactively identify business risks, operational risks, supplier risks, project risks, compliance risks, cyber security risks, environmental risks, health and safety risks. Instead of reacting to problems, organizations are expected to prevent them. Risk management includes risk identification, risk assessment, risk evaluation, risk treatment, risk monitoring, continual review. Several international standards emphasize risk-based thinking, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 22301, ISO/IEC 27001, ISO 31000. Now, URGS risk management programs. Our professional development courses include ISO 31000 risk management, enterprise risk management, business continuity management, supplier risk assessment, project risk management, internal risk assessment workshop. Now section 6, continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is at the heart of organizational excellence. Successful organizations constantly seek opportunities to improve quality, productivity, delivery, cost, customer satisfaction, employee engagement, business performance. Common improvement methodologies include PDCA cycle, Kaizen, Okayok, visual management, 5S, standard work, corrective actions, preventive actions, lessons learned, benchmarking. Quality professionals facilitate improvement projects using structured methodologies. Improvement never stops, it becomes part of organizational culture. URGS improvement programs. We conduct trainings on continuous improvement, Kaizen, 5S, PDCA, quality improvement tools, corrective and preventive action, problem solving, operational excellence. Now section 7, Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma is one of the world's most effective business improvement methodologies. It combines lean manufacturing and Six Sigma. Lean focuses on eliminating waste. Six Sigma focuses on reducing variation. Together they improve quality, cost, delivery, efficiency, customer satisfaction, employee productivity. Lean identifies waste such as waiting, transportation, inventory, motion, overprocessing, overproduction, defects, unused talent. Six Sigma follows a DMAIC methodology: define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Professionals use tools including Pareto analysis, fishbone diagram, control charts, hypothesis testing, regression, capability analysis, measurement system analysis, failure mode and effective analysis. URGS Lean Six Sigma programs. We provide Lean Six Sigma yellow belts, Lean Six Sigma green belt, Lean Six Sigma black belt, SPC, MSA, FMEA, APQP, PPAP, root cause analysis, 8D problem solving, statistical tools. Now section 8, organizational excellence. Organizational excellence is achieved when every department works toward common business objectives. Characteristics include strong leadership, customer focus, employee engagement, process excellence, innovation, risk management, continuous learning, operational discipline, data-based decisions, sustainable growth. Organizations pursuing excellence continuously evaluate business performance, quality objectives, operational efficiency, customer satisfaction, supplier performance, employee competency, improvement projects, strategic direction. Quality professionals play an important role in driving this transformation. How URGS supports professional development. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we are committed to supporting quality professionals through comprehensive learning solutions designed to enhance practical knowledge and leadership capabilities. Our services include ISO lead auditor courses, internal auditor training, Lean Six Sigma programs, SPC, MSA, FMEA, APQP, PPAP, root cause analysis, 8D problem solving, risk management, organizational excellence, supplier quality, leadership development, customized corporate training, live online training, classroom programs, weekend batches, international training programs. Participants receive professional training certificate, attendance record, course agenda, training material, instructor support. So these programs help professionals strengthen competencies relevant to quality management and organizational excellence and support their own ongoing professional development. At last, conclusion for part 2. In this session, we explored the major domains of the ASQ CMQ/OE body of knowledge, including leadership, strategic planning, customer focus, process management, risk-based thinking, continuous improvement, Lean Six Sigma, and organizational excellence. Developing expertise in these areas enables quality professionals to lead improvement initiatives, enhance organizational performance, and remain effective in an evolving business environment. In part 3, we will discuss ASQ CMQ/OE recertification process, process development planning, documentation for recertification, selecting the right training programs, how URGS supports individuals and corporate teams, frequently asked questions, facts, final recommendations and call to action. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited for more expert insights on quality management, professional development, ISO standards, auditing and organizational excellence. Part 3, ASQ CMQ/OE recertification, process, professional development, planning and how URGS supports your certification journey by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to the final part of our 3-part series on ASQ Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence Certification Renewal. In part 1 we discussed the importance of CMQ/OE certification, recertification units and why continuous professional development is essential. In part 2 we explored the complete CMQ/OE body of knowledge including leadership, strategic planning, customer focus, process management, risk-based thinking, Lean Six Sigma and organizational excellence. Today we will be focused on the practical aspects of maintaining your certification, planning your professional development, preparing documentation and how URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited can support your learning journey. Let us begin. Section 1, Understanding the ASQ CMQ/OE recertification process. Earning the ASQ CMQ/OE certification is a significant milestone in a quality professional's career. However, maintaining the certification is equally important. ASQ encourages certified professionals to remain active in their profession through continuous learning and professional development. Typically, recertification involves maintaining professional employment, participating in quality-related education and training, attending workshops, seminars, webinars, and conferences, teaching or delivering professional training, publishing technical papers or articles, participating in professional organizations, documenting all eligible professional development activities. The objective is to ensure that certified professionals continue to enhance their knowledge and contribute to the quality profession. Rather than relying on one activity, professionals should develop a balanced learning plan throughout the certification cycle. Then section 2, planning your professional development. What is this? One of the biggest mistakes professionals make is waiting until the final few months before their certification expires. Professional development should be planned from the beginning of this certification cycle. A structured annual learning plan may include Quarter 1, ISO 9001 internal auditor training, Quarter 2, Lean Six Sigma Green Belt, Quarter 3, risk management workshop, Quarter 4, leadership development program. The following year may include root cause analysis, supplier quality management, SPC and MSA, internal auditor programs, organizational excellence workshops. This approach allows professionals to continuously improve their competencies rather than accumulating all training at the end. Continuous learning also benefits employers because employees become more capable of solving business challenges. Section 3, Selecting the right training programs. Not every training course contributes equally to professional development. Quality professionals should select programs relevant to their current role and future career goals. Recommended training areas include quality management, ISO 9001 integrated management system, internal auditing, lead auditor programs, quality assurance, quality control, leadership skills, strategic planning, decision making, team management, conflict resolution, business communication, change management, continuous improvement, here lean manufacturing, Lean Six Sigma, Kaizen, 5S, operational excellence, value stream mapping, all this in continuous improvement. Then similarly in quality engineering, SPC, MSA, FMEA, APQP, PPAP, control plan, root cause analysis, 8D problem solving, corrective and preventive action. Similarly for risk management, ISO 31000, enterprise risk management, business continuity, supplier risk assessment, project risk management, organizational excellence, here business excellence models, customer satisfaction, supplier development, performance measurement, KPI development, balance scorecard, innovation management. The objective should always be improving practical knowledge that can be applied within the organization. Section 4, documentation for recertification. One of the most important aspects of recertification is maintaining proper documentation. Professionals should retain records of training certificates, attendance certificates, course agendas, training hours, conference participation, workshop attendance, professional memberships, employment records, teaching activities, technical publications, voluntary activities. Keeping organized records throughout the certification cycle makes the recertification process much easier. Documentation should be complete, authentic, legible, well organized. Professionals should also maintain a personal learning log documenting training title, training provider, date, duration, learning outcomes, supporting documents. This creates an excellent professional portfolio. Section 5, how URGS supports individuals and corporate teams. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we believe professional development should be practical, industry focused, and aligned with international best practices. We provide comprehensive training solutions for individual professionals, corporate organizations, manufacturing industries, service organizations, healthcare, automotive, aerospace, oil and gas, food industry, pharmaceutical companies, educational institutions, government organizations. Our training portfolio includes ISO 9001 2015, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO/IEC 27001, ISO 13485, ISO 22000 Food Safety Management System, ISO 50001, ISO 22301, Business Continuity Management System, Lean Six Sigma, Risk Management, Internal Auditor, Lead Auditor, SPC, MSA, FMEA, APQP, PPAP, Root Cause Analysis, 8D, Quality Core Tools, Supplier Development, Project Management, Leadership Development, Business Excellence, Customized Corporate Programs. Training delivery modes are live online training, classroom training, corporate in-house training, weekend batches, customized learning programs, international online programs. What participants receive: professional training certificate, attendance record, course material, training agenda, instructor guidance, interactive learning sessions, case studies, practical examples, question and answer sessions. Our objective is not simply to deliver training but to help professionals improve their competence and apply quality principles effectively within their organizations. Now section 6, frequently asked questions. The question 1 is, can I renew my CMQ/OE certification through training? See, professional development and training are one of the recognized ways to support your recertification application. Acceptance of activities and allocation of recertification units (RUs) are determined by ASQ according to its recertification requirements. Clear? Then question 2, can online training be considered? Many instructor-led online training programs can support professional development. You should ensure that the training is relevant to your certification and maintain appropriate documentation for your recertification application. Clear? Then question 3 is, what documents should I keep? Always retain training certificate, attendance certificate, course agenda, training hours, payment receipt, employment records, professional membership details. Then question 4 is, can URGS provide customized corporate training? Yes. We regularly deliver customized programs for organizations based on their industry, processes, standards, and competency development requirements. Question 5. Can URGS conduct internal auditor online training? Absolutely. We provide live online instructor-led training programs for professionals and organizations worldwide. At last, final recommendations. If you are an ASQ, CMQ/OE professional, remember that certification renewal should not be viewed as an administrative task. Instead, view it as an opportunity to expand your knowledge, improve leadership skills, strengthen quality management competencies, learn international best practices, develop new professional capabilities, increase your value to your organization, stay competitive in today's global marketplace. The most successful quality professionals never stop learning. Continuous professional development is an investment that delivers long-term career growth and organizational success. At last, final call to action. If you are planning to renew your ASQ, CMQ/OE certification or enhance your professional competencies, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is here to support your learning journey. We offer comprehensive training programs covering quality management, leadership, auditing, Lean Six Sigma, risk management, supplier quality, business excellence, and organizational performance improvement. Our experienced instructors, flexible training formats, and practical approach help professionals and organizations worldwide to build the knowledge and skills needed to excel in today's competitive environment. For upcoming training programs or customized learning solutions, contact us today. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile/WhatsApp number is +91 7359458455. Thank you for watching this 3-part series. If you found this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content on ASQ certifications, ISO standards, quality management, Lean Six Sigma, professional development, leadership, auditing and organizational excellence. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, empowering quality professionals through continuous learning, international standards and professional excellence. Thank you.